This is the new Reolink Altas. You know how some battery cams miss the action just before the motion? This one doesn't. Let's see why. This camera, it can literally see 10 seconds into the past. That means you can catch the full story, not just the tail end of it. With up to 10 seconds of smart pre-recording, you'll never miss a knock on the door, a delivery, or your neighbor's dog. And when the sun goes down, Color X night vision kicks in. With a massive f1.0 aperture and a pro-level sensor, even your night looks like day. This camera has 20,000 milliamps battery. That means 540 days on a single charge. And if you install the solar panel also, that means it can run forever. No more climbing ladders, no more changing batteries. The camera comes in the box with everything you need, of course. But even the installation on the app is pretty simple and straightforward. Let me show you. We're gonna start the camera. Here we have the SD card and the power button.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install the Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
Willkommen bei Reolink. Bitte
You tap
Reolink
the
App
plus
installieren
sign.
und den QR-Code auf der Kamera scannen.
Bienvenue à Reolink. Veuillez installer l'application Reolink et scanner le
We're
code
gonna
QR
use the
sur la caméra.
standalone.
Benvenuto a Reolink.
You enter the Wi-Fi, name and password. Now it's connecting. Yay, save password, and now you create a password for your device. You name your device, assuming this goes on the front door. Let's name it front door. It suggests right here. Side door, living room, porch. Nice. Next. Welcome to the front door of my new house. Well, let's see what we can do, but I'm pretty sure the menu is the same or familiar because yes, the battery is only at 36%. Let's charge it up. Let's install the solar panel just for a little bit so you can see the charging. Here you have the Type-C port. You just plug it in. The sun is coming out. Look. Let's see. Oh, let me record the phone also so I can show you later. Because here you can see a little sun next to the battery. We are charging up. We're gonna be sun chasers. Just for a little bit. This camera has Wi-Fi 6 dual band, that means rock solid signal. Even way out here or even in the garden, if you have a good Wi-Fi signal, you can install it anywhere. This video is not sponsored. However, Reolink did send us this camera to test it out in our creative way. Check the link in the description to get yours. But seriously, if you ever missed that moment on your security camera, you'll want this version.